Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Teams in Dynamics 365 for follow-ups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Microsoft Teams in Dynamics 365 for follow-ups, begin by opening your web browser. Go to the Microsoft Teams app or website. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner. Click on the three dots next to your profile picture. From the menu, select Manage Apps. In the search bar, type Dynamics 365. Locate the Dynamics 365 app in the results. Click on Add to Teams for the Dynamics 365 app. You will see a prompt to confirm the addition. Click Add to proceed. Next, open the Dynamics 365 app. Log in using your Dynamics 365 account credentials. After accessing Dynamics 365, look for Settings or Configuration options. In the Settings, find Integrations or App Connections. Select the option to connect with Microsoft Teams. You might be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account again. After successfully signing in, confirm the connection by clicking Allow or Authorize. Now return to Microsoft Teams. In the Teams environment, check for the new Dynamics 365 integration. Create a new channel or use an existing one for follow-ups. Invite team members to join the channel. Once everyone is added, start a conversation using the Dynamics 365 app. You can now share updates and follow-ups directly within Teams. Remember to explore additional settings for notifications and document sharing. Your Microsoft Teams and Dynamics 365 authorization for follow-ups is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.